Exercise 8A. Question number 1. Write all the factors of. So the same question I have explained in my introduction part. I am solving one from question 1. So fifth one I am solving 84. So I am writing here factors of 84. So factors of 84 f in subscript 84. Now as you know, 84 is divisible by 1, then it is divisible by 2, clear, as well as from 3 it is divisible, from 4 is also divisible, then 6, 7, then not from 8, 9, 10, 11 not divisible. 84 is not divisible by 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 7 ja 84, it is divisible. Then after 12, 14 6 ja 84. Then 21 4 ja 84. Then 28 3 ja 84. And then I think 42, and the last one is 84 itself. So like this you have to solve question number 1. Then question number 2. Write all the prime numbers less than 25, between 15 and 35, between 8 and 76. So I think you can solve question number 2. Then question number 3 is also same. Write the prime numbers. It's not a new topic to you. Already you have studied about prime numbers from class 4 or 5th onwards. So question number 2 and 3 you can solve. Then question number 4. Write the prime factors. So the first one question is 16. You can factorize 16. So 2 8 ja 16. Then from 2 4 ja 8. Then from 2 2 ja 4. Then from 2 1. So 16 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? So the prime factor of 16 is 2, because as you can see all the time you are having 2 here. So prime factor of 16 is 2. Similarly 27, 35, 49 you can solve. For 35 is not divisible by 2, it's not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4. Then 35 is divisible by 5, and 5 7 ja 35. 5 7 ja 35. 7 1 ja 7. So prime factors of 35. Prime factors of 35, 5 and 7. Like this you have to solve question number 4. Then in question number 5, if Pn means prime factors of n, then find P6, P24, P50, P42. So the first question is what? Pn means prime factors of n. So the first one question is P6. So first of all, factors of 6. 1 and 2 3 ja 6, so divisible by 2. 3 2 ja 6, divisible by 3. 6 1 ja 6. So the factors are 1 2 3 6. Now prime factors we have to find. So prime factors of 6 equals to, as you can see, 1 is neither prime nor composite, so leave. 2 is the only even prime number and 3 is a prime number. So your answer will be 2 and 3. Clear? One more question I am solving here. P42. So first, factors of 42. First of all 1, then last is 2, that means divisible by 2, then divisible by 3, 14 3 ja 42, then not divisible by 4, not by 5, then divisible by 6, 6 7 ja 42, then 7 6 ja 42, then 14 3 ja 42, 21 2 ja 42, and 42 1 ja 42. Now prime factors of 42. So from the above data, 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 is a even prime number, 3 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 14 is not a prime number, 21 is not a prime number, 42 is not a prime number. So only 2, 3 and 7. So required answer is 2, 3 and 7. So like this you have to solve exercise 8A. If you are having any doubt, do message for that. Thank you.